Hello and welcome from the AWS reInvent Happy Hour, virtually speaking. So AWS reInvent kicked off and there's a lot to unpack, and for the first time my legs aren't tired from running from session to session across multiple event sites. So in 120 seconds, let's try to unpack just what we heard from that first week. Of course, Andy Jassy gave the much anticipated keynote with a focus on the increased need for rapid iteration and transformation. He also channeled a little Larry Ellison in his presentation, throwing a little shade out there. Now, some of the announcements to note, let's start with the ECS and EKS Anywhere. For those of you looking to understand how to operate with AWS in more of a hybrid environment, ECS and EKS Anywhere enables you to easily create and operate Kubernetes clusters both on-premise and in the cloud, a la Anthos kind of feel. Next up is EPS GP3. Now, of interest to every large organization, GP3 allows you to provision performance apart from capacity. And I believe we're going to see a lot of enterprises start to switch over to GP3. For those of you focused on the storage side of the house, IO2 block express volumes, which can provide up to 256,000 IOPS and 4,000 megabits per second of throughput. Now, more work needs to be done there. However, AWS is really answering the market on true SAN capability in the cloud. Next up, Amazon SageMaker pipelines, Feature Store, and Data Wrangler. Now, these are a welcome addition to companies that need to regularly clean data, store and retrieve associated metadata, and consistently redeploy machine learning models. Next, Quicksite Q, and this appears to be a natural language processing marvel. It can retrieve Quicksite business intelligence without predefined data models. And then last up is AWS and Glue with its enhancements with materialized elastic views that can be created with traditional SQL and replicate across multiple data stores. Now, with more to come in the following weeks of reInvent, stay tuned for my next week's update. And if you want to explore these announcements at a deeper level, link to the Second Watch blogs and podcasts on CloudCrunch. I'm Mike Elliott. See you next week.